Welcome back. Today's technique is one of the fastest ways to improve your AI output, and it takes about 5 extra seconds to apply. It is called role prompting. Let me show you exactly how it works. When you assign a persona to the AI, it calibrates the vocabulary, depth, and assumptions in its response. Let me show you the difference. Explain APIs to me. That response is fine, but it is aimed at nobody in particular. The AI does not know if you are a developer, a manager, or a complete beginner, so it guesses. Now, let me add the role and also specify the audience. You are a senior software engineer explaining APIs to a non-technical business manager. Use a real-world analogy, keep it under 150 words, and avoid jargon. Much more targeted, much more useful for the actual person who would be reading this. Role prompting is especially powerful when you are writing for a specific audience because you are telling the AI exactly who needs to understand this. Anytime you sit down to write a prompt, ask yourself, who should the AI be right now? A consultant? A teacher? A copywriter? The answer goes at the very start of your prompt. Next up, we are going to look at few-shot prompting, a technique where you show the AI examples of exactly what you want before asking it to do the task. See you in the next one.